Hello children, welcome back to my channel Studies Forever. Let us study today Unit 10 Prose, Who's Blessed. Already we have learnt about this. Who's the most important one? Now let us go for the next part, that is Who's Blessed here. Once upon a time, it was very cold in the high mountains in north. All the birds flew away to warm places. They would come back in spring. But there was a little bird with a broken wing. She could not fly. She looked around for a place to keep her warm. Then she saw the trees in the forest. See, once upon a time, there was a very cold in the north mountains. It was very high cold. So all the birds, what they decided to flew away to the another place, to the warm place. And they could come back in the spring season again back to that place. But there was one bird. Among that all birds, there was one bird. The bird was with the broken wing. The wing was broken. The bird couldn't fly. It was unable to fly. So she looked around for a place to keep her warm because it was a very high cold. To keep her warm, the bird couldn't fly because of her wing. The wing was broken. So the bird decided to stay back there and wanted to keep her warm, wanted to find the place there. So then she saw the trees in the forest. See, in the forest there were many trees. So the bird decided to stay in a tree. She thought maybe the trees will keep me warm through the winter. So if the bird find the place to stay in the tree can keep her warm, the bird thought. She went to the forest hopping with her broken wing. The first tree she came across was a slim birch tree. Oh, beautiful birch tree. See what happened here? When the bird decided to stay to find the warm place in the tree, first she came across the slim birch tree. She said, "Will you let me stay in your branches till spring comes?" See, the bird is asking, "Will you let me to stay in your branches till the spring season comes?" "Oh no," said the birch tree. "I have to take care of my leaves through the winter. Go away." See, the tree does not keep the bird there, so it went back. So here the bird went back because the tree was not. So here the tree was unable to keep the bird. So the tree said that the tree has to take care of its leaves. So the tree don't want to keep the bird. So the bird went away. The little bird hopped with the broken wing and went to the next tree. It was a big oak tree. See, the next tree was oak tree. The next tree was the oak tree here. See, the first tree was a birch tree. Birch tree wanted to keep its leaves, to take care of its leaves. So the bird went away. The next tree was oak tree. Oh, big oak tree. Here, see, the bird is again pleading there. "Oh, big oak tree," said the little bird, "will you let me stay in your warm branches till spring comes?" See, will you give me place to stay here? The tree is asking. So what the tree replied? "Oh no, sorry," said the oak tree. "See, sorry? No, I won't allow you to stay here. If you stay in my branches all winter, you will be eating all my nuts. Go away." See what the oak tree said here? If you stay in my branches, you will eat all my nuts. So go away from here. See here the oak tree also did not keep the bird in its shelter. So the bird went away. Next the tree what comes? Let us see. So the little bird hopped with the broken wing. Again the bird couldn't fly. Just hopping, it went to the next tree. The tree was willow tree near the stream. "Oh, lovely willow tree," said the bird, "will you let me stay in your branches all winter? Will you allow me to stay in your branches in all winter. So what the willow tree replied? No, sorry, said the willow tree. I don't speak to strangers. Go away. See, here the first birch tree did not give the shelter to the bird because it doesn't want to keep the bird because it has to take care of its leaves. Here the oak tree thought that the bird will eat all the nuts, so it did not keep the bird, did not give the shelter to the bird. Now lastly, that willow tree, what did it reply? It replied that the willow tree don't want to speak with the strangers. The poor little bird was very sad. Why it was sad here, children? Because the three trees did not give us shelter to stay to the bird, so it was very sad and did not know what to do and where to go with the broken wing. See here, the bird was with the broken wing and wanted the help, but the three trees did not help the bird here. See here, next you see here, children. Name the trees that did not let the little bird to stay with them. Which are the trees that? The first one is the birch tree, the second one is the willow tree, oak tree, and third one is the willow tree. At the time, the spruce tree saw her and said, "Where are you going, little bird? See, among all the trees, one tree was decided to help the bird. So the spruce tree said, "Where are you going, little bird?" "I do not know," said the little bird. "My wing is broken and I cannot fly, and the trees in the forest will not let me live in their branches." See, what did the bird replied here? The bird replied that I don't know where I should go because I don't have I have a broken wing with me and I cannot fly, and the trees are in the forest are not helping me and not let me live in their branches. "Oh, but you may live in my branches." See, the spruce tree said that you can live in my branches, said the spruce tree. "But may I stay all winter?" See here, bird is asking here. "May I stay with all winter here? Full winter season, can I stay with you? Can I take a shelter of your tree?" "Yes," said the spruce tree. "I shall love to have you." See, the spruce tree is welcoming that I shall love you to have with me. Just next the spruce tree stood a tall and strong pine tree. See, spruce tree and this is a pine tree. So, what did the pine tree said here? The pine tree said to the spruce tree, "I am big and strong. I will keep the wind off your branches, and in turn your branches can give warmth to the little bird." See, the spruce tree wants to help the bird. At the same time, what happens there? The pine tree was ready to help the spruce tree, that the pine tree wanted to keep the wind away from the spruce tree, that the branches of the spruce tree can keep the bird warm. Along with the spruce tree, the pine tree stood a juniper tree. Another one tree was there beside the juniper tree with a lovely tasty berries all over her branches. See, lovely tasty berries were there in the juniper tree. The juniper tree offered food to the little bird. He said to the little bird, "You can have my berries for dinner all winter. My berries are very good for birds." See, when the spruce tree started just want to help the bird, the pine tree helped the spruce tree to keep away the wind. And another one tree was there, the juniper tree. It has a lovely tasty berries with that. The tree offered the bird that whole winter season, the bird can have the berries for the dinner. See, the berries are very good for, tasty for the birds. List the grains and food grains love to eat. See, what are the food grains the birds love to eat? Just you mention here, children. The little bird felt very nice. What it felt? Very nice. She felt that at last she got a help from the three trees. Warm and comfortable in the branches of the trees. What were the trees there? The trees were spruce tree, pine tree and juniper tree. At night, the north wind and his father came to the forest to play. See, from the north wind, the bird's father came to play to the forest. The north wind puffed at the leaves, and the leaves fell down on the ground in the forest. He loved to see the trees without their leaves. See what happened at last? What happened that the three trees did not help the bird. Which are the three trees? Oak tree, willow tree, and birch tree. At last, all the trees, they lost their leaves. He asked his father, "Dear father, may I touch and blow out your leaf in the forest?" See, last what the bird asked, "May I touch your, dear father, may I touch and blow out your leaf in the forest? Can I blow it?" "No, my dear son," said the father. "The trees which were kind and gave shelter to the little bird in this cold winter may keep their leaves." See, at last what happened there? The father and the son came to the forest, and the son was asking that, "May I touch and blow out your leaf in the forest?" So at last what the father replied here, no my dear son," said the father, "the trees which were kind." See, the trees which are kind, so the trees gave the shelter to little bird in this cold winter can keep their leaves. At that time, the birch, the oak and the willow trees were ashamed. They felt shame there because they did not help the bird. Which are the trees helped the bird? Pine tree, spruce tree and juniper tree. They realized their mistake and were sorry. And the spruce, the pine and the juniper kept their leaves all the year round and became evergreen trees. Here, children, did you understood the moral of this lesson? See, those who help in their need, those who help the others in their need, they'll get back the help from the others. Those who doesn't help anyone, they doesn't get any help from the other. So always be kind, helpful, and be helpful for others. Here, see children, write the names of the trees that help the little bird. Which are the trees? The spruce, the pine and the juniper. So here children, here completes your lesson. I hope children you understood this lesson.